guys, how are you all? So this is gonna be another haul from Amazon. All the products are gonna be under 500 rupees and they are gonna be exciting things. I will be reviewing them for you all. So there are gonna be things from makeup to skincare. So this is gonna be so amazing. I'm so excited to show you guys these products. And without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in. So guys, the first product which I'm going to be talking about here is absolutely my favorite one. This is number one on the list. You must get your hands on this, and this is Gillette Venus Breeze Razor. Now this glides on your skin beautifully. I know it's a little bit on the expensive side, like it was for 352 rupees if I'm not wrong. But anyways, you get some exciting offer on Amazon, so you can get it for much cheaper price. But this is something you must get your hands on, and you can come and thank me later. Also guys, I have got the refills. I have bought these two and I'm so happy that I have gotten it because it works wonderfully on your skin. I have used it on my legs, on my arms, in my underarms, and even on my sensitive areas. It has really worked wonderfully. So guys, the next product is gonna be the Scalp Scrub by MAC Caffeine. I really wanted to get my hands on these products since a very long time because I'm someone with a scalp issue. And if you are somebody just like me with a scalp issue, have itchy scalp, and if you have dandruff in the winters, this is gonna be your go-to product, guys. Okay, so I have used it. It works wonderfully. You just need to apply it a little bit on your scalp, leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it off. Believe me, it is gonna give you clearest scalp. So guys, the next up is gonna be this product which I have seen a lot around the internet, and this is gonna be this shampoo comb. Now this is made up of silicone, and this is something you can massage your scalp with. Whenever you are in the shower, apply some shampoo and then you're good to go. Just massage it in your scalp. It is gonna remove the dirt, grim, oil, dandruff, or any kind of buildup in your scalp away. Now guys, is gonna be this product by Minimalist. So I really wanted to get a serum which helps me in giving even skin tone. So I bought this transparent skincare which helps in reducing dark spots and even skin tone. It has alpha arbutin and HA, and I have been using it from last 4 days, guys. It helps in hydrating the skin. I just apply it and I'm good to go. I can see little bit of dark spots going away. Now guys, this is a product which everyone is raving about, and this is salicylic acid ice cream mask. Now I got this because it was viral on the internet and I really wanted to try it out for myself. I will be using it and then I'll be able to give my review. I'll make a separate video about this, guys, so you can stay tuned for that. Also, my go-to product is wax, and I've gotten this, the Body Care Strawberry Wax, and I'm someone who can wax at home. I'm pro at it, so whenever I feel like that I want to remove the body hair, not by using the razor, I want to remove them from the roots, I use hot wax. And now this is one product which is thumbs down for me 100%, and this is this body brush. Now I really wanted to get a body brush since a very long time. Thank you Amazon that you had it. This is usually to brush down your body. It helps in increasing the circulation and there are so many benefits. It helps in removing the dead skin cells. But it was a big thumbs down product for me because whenever I do this, it feels like it's scratching my body. I probably gonna send it back. The next product is gonna be a sleeping mask, and guys, this is also by MAC Caffeine. This is their Naked and Raw Latte Coffee Sleeping Mask. Now sleeping mask is something which helps in hydrating your skin and makes you wake up with a beautiful skin in the morning. So yeah, if you want to get your hands on this, it's amazing. And next up is going to be lashes, guys. Now I do not wear a lot of fake lashes, but I wanted to get my hands on something which I can wear and doesn't show up, if you know what I mean. I'm wearing them right now and they were also very cheap. They were for 200 rupees and they're working quite well for me. Now comes these cups. Now these are the cups, guys, which are made up of silicone. Now this is for cupping therapy. Now cupping therapy has been used since a very long time in the history, which helps in reducing the fine line and wrinkles from your face. But I want to give a detailed review of this, so I will be making a video of using cupping therapy on your face for 7 days, so you guys can stay tuned for that for sure. So guys, the next product is gonna be the shampoo by Tresemme, and I have gotten this for 447 rupees if I'm not wrong, and this is 1 liter of product. You have some amazing offer going on Amazon. You can click on the link right there in the description box and get yourself one. Now the next thing is gonna be a makeup product, and this is this 24-hour eyebrow and gel liner by Swiss Beauty. Now this has worked really well for me, and the best part is it has this gel in this portion, and if I open up the upper part, it has a little mirror over here, and it also has eyeshadow. The pigmentation is pretty fine as well, and this is the cheapest gel liner out there. So yes, it also comes up with a brush. This is definitely value for money. And guys, this is gonna be the last product, and I can guarantee you this is gonna be the least interesting one. It is combo pack of Rita, Amla and Shikakai. So I am gonna be making a DIY shampoo, and I'm gonna try it out for some time on my hair. If it helps in reducing the hair fall, if it's great for your hair, help in cleaning the scalp and all of those things. And I'm so excited for this one. If you want to see a detailed review and a video, so I will definitely go and make on this. I will make sure that I give all the links in the description box below. This is pretty much it, guys. These were all the products which I have showed you, and I hope that you find it interesting. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All the products link are in the description box below. Go buy things for yourself. I will be back with another haul next month. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys super soon. Mwah.